Changing your IP address can be essential for various reasons, such as enhancing your online privacy, bypassing geographic restrictions, or protecting yourself on public Wi-Fi. One of the most effective and user-friendly methods to accomplish this is by using a virtual private network, VPN. This article will guide you through the basics of how to change your IP address using a VPN. What is a VPN? A virtual private network, VPN, is a service that creates a secure, encrypted connection between your device and a remote server operated by the VPN provider. When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through this server, effectively masking your actual IP address and replacing it with the server's IP address. This not only protects your online identity but also allows you to access content that may be restricted in your location. Benefits of using a VPN to change your IP address. 1. Privacy and anonymity. By masking your IP address, a VPN helps protect your personal information from websites, advertisers, and potential hackers. 2. Bypass geo-restrictions. Many online services restrict content based on geographic location. Using a VPN allows you to connect to servers in different countries, giving you access to region-locked content. 3. Secure public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks can be risky, making you vulnerable to cyber attacks. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, adding a layer of security when using public networks. 4. Avoid bandwidth throttling. Some ISPs throttle your internet speed based on your online activities. A VPN can help you avoid this by hiding your online behavior from your ISP. Steps to change your IP address with a VPN. 1. Choose a VPN provider. Look for a reputable VPN service that meets your needs. Consider factors like connection speed, server locations, and privacy policies. 2. Download and install the VPN software. After choosing a provider, download the VPN application for your device. Most VPN services support various platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. 3. Sign up and log in. Create an account with the VPN provider and log in using your credentials. Some services offer free trials or money-back guarantees, allowing you to test the service before committing. 4. Select a server location. Once logged in, browse the available server locations. Choose a server in the country where you want your IP address to appear. For instance, if you want to access content available only in the United States, select a server located in that country. 5. Connect to the VPN. Click the Connect button to establish a secure connection to the selected server. Once connected, your IP address will change to that of the VPN server. 6. Verify your new IP address. You can verify that your IP address has changed by visiting an IP checking website. This will show your current IP address and confirm that it corresponds to the VPN server you connected to. 7. Browse safely. With your new IP address, you can now browse the internet more securely and access content that may have been previously restricted. Things to consider. While using a VPN is an effective way to change your IP address, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. Speed. VPNs can sometimes slow down your internet connection due to the encryption process. Choose a provider known for high-speed connections to minimize this issue. Legal implications. While using a VPN is legal in many countries, some regions impose restrictions on their use. Be sure to familiarize yourself with local laws before using a VPN. Privacy policies. Not all VPN providers prioritize user privacy. Choose a service with a clear privacy policy that does not log your online activities. Conclusion. Changing your IP address using a VPN is a straightforward process that enhances your online privacy and access to content. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily connect to a VPN and enjoy a more secure and flexible internet experience. Always ensure that you choose a reputable VPN provider to make the most of your online activities while protecting your personal information.